Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate make.com scenarios using Google Sheets keyword tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate make.com scenarios using Google Sheets for keyword tracking, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the make.com website and log into your account. Once logged in, create a new scenario or open an existing one that you want to authenticate. Next, locate the Google Sheets app within the make.com interface. Select the option to add a Google Sheets module to your scenario. At this point, you will be prompted to connect your Google Sheets account. Click on the Add button to initiate the authentication process. You will be redirected to a Google sign-in page. Enter your Google account credentials and sign in. Once signed in, you will see a screen asking you to grant permissions. Review the permissions carefully, as they allow make.com to access your Google Sheets. If you agree to the terms, click the Allow button to proceed. After granting permissions, return to the make.com platform. You should see a confirmation message indicating a successful connection to Google Sheets. Now you can configure the specific Google Sheets module for your scenario. Select the desired action, such as Get Row or Add Row, depending on your tracking needs. Specify the spreadsheet and worksheet you plan to use for tracking keywords. Make sure that the spreadsheet is structured correctly to accommodate your data. You can set filters within the module to track specific keywords more effectively. Test the module to ensure the integration works as expected. If everything is set up correctly, your make.com scenario will now be able to interact with your Google Sheets. Save your scenario settings once you are satisfied with the configuration. You can now run the scenario and track keywords using Google Sheets seamlessly. This completes the authentication process for using make.com scenarios with Google Sheets for keyword tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.